Chickpeas curry with coconut pieces. Easy to make and very delicious when served along with rice, rotti or chapathi. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of chickpeas. We have washed and soaked chickpeas for 8 hours. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 cups of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on high flame and then 4 whistles on medium flame. After 6 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Chickpeas have cooked well. Keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 2 sliced onion, 4 chopped garlics, half-inch size chopped ginger, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame until onion turns to light golden color. Keep it low flame. We can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kasmiri Chilli Powder, 2 tablespoon Coriander Powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, half teaspoon Fennel Powder. Mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the tomato turns soft and mushy. Now take 3 tablespoons cooked chickpeas and add to the grinder. Add 1/4 cup of water and grind it nicely into a paste form. Transfer the remaining cooked chickpeas to the pan. Also add the grinded paste to it. Wash the jar with 1/4 cup of water and add to it. Also add half teaspoon salt. Close the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Stir in between every 3 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can open the lid. If you need more thicker gravy, you can keep lid open and cook for some time. Then switch off the flame. Finally, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add 1/4 cup of coconut pieces. Fry it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Then add 8 to 10 sliced shallots and mix it well. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until it turns to light golden color. Then add 3 red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves and mix it well. Cook for a minute. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and wait at least 10 minutes before stirring. After 10 minutes, we can stir it well. Chickpeas curry with coconut pieces is ready. If you are making in this quantity, you can serve it for 6 portions. You can serve it along with puttu rice for best taste. You can also have it along with parota or chapathi. Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.